Imagine a world where every piece of information connects, where every voice is heard, and every issue is understood. Welcome to the world we're building at TSC.ai, where the world gets connected back together, using AI to bridge the gaps and shed light where there was once darkness. In today's complex world, businesses face a fragmented landscape, overwhelmed by data, voices, and shifts. We're the architects of clarity and chaos, the creators of the global standard in stakeholder and issue intelligence. We provide global standard intelligence on stakeholders and issues, mapping, mining, and monitoring complex business environments and networks. See the unseen with our real-time monitoring across 100+ languages, ensuring no voice goes unheard and no issue unnoticed. Unify your stakeholder management with a single source of truth, eliminating information silos and fostering alignment. Become hyper-networked, stay ahead of shifts with daily intelligence updates, and anticipate changes before they disrupt. Companies can leverage TSC.ai to anticipate and lead, not just react, positioning themselves to drive change rather than being driven by it. We map the network shaping the world, revealing the stakeholders behind every shift. From regulators to grassroots voices, every connection becomes visible. Our clients use TSC.ai to anticipate risks, engage the right people, and act with precision. What was once hidden becomes clear, a living map of influence and opportunity. Transform data into action and navigate with confidence using TSC. Connect the dots, understand the world, and lead the way.